We are joined today by Marc Roberts, Investment Research Analyst at Fenimore Asset Management. Marc, it's such a pleasure to have you here today.
Rachel, it's great to be here.
So to start, how did you become interested in investing?
My passion for investing really flourished during college when I had the opportunity to participate in Siena College's student-managed investment fund. As students, this gave us the ability to research and invest real money in publicly traded securities. During my senior year, as part of this program, we had a series of professional investors come into the classroom to share their experiences. This is how I was first introduced to Fenimore Asset Management. The firm participated as one of the guest speakers, and Fenimore's process and investment philosophy really resonated with me.
Could you tell us a little bit about your background and your role with Fenimore?
Absolutely. After my undergraduate degree, I was fortunate enough to be hired by Fenimore as a junior investment research analyst in 2007. From day one, I was reading 10Ks and conducting hands-on fundamental research with guidance and mentorship from Tom Putnam, John Fox, and the rest of the investment research team. As my career progressed, I had the opportunity to participate in the foundation of Fenimore Small Cap Strategy, which eventually led to the launch of the FAM Small Cap Mutual Fund, a product that I co-managed with Tom Putnam from the fund's inception in March of 2012 through December of 2015. I then moved to Chicago to pursue an entrepreneurial endeavor before returning to Fenimore in early 2020 as an investment research analyst and part of the investment research team.
What is the hardest lesson you've ever learned about investing?
One of the hardest periods for many investment professionals was the great financial crisis in 2008-2009. There were many lessons to be learned during this period, really too many to elaborate on. But I was fortunate enough to have this happen fairly early on in my career, and it has really shaped who I am as an investor. At a high level, it really drove home how critical it is to have a disciplined, time-tested investment strategy and the importance of owning quality businesses. These are businesses that are understandable with growing streams of excess cash flow and defensible competitive advantages.
What advice have you given most often to your own family about investing?
It is helping them to understand the difference between investing and speculation. I find that many individual investors think of the stock market as a place to take a chance, and they view stock prices as a blip on a screen, when in reality, what you get when you buy a stock is fractional ownership in a business. This is how we treat it at Fenimore Asset Management. We analyze a business as if we were buying the entire entity. We talk to company representatives, meet with management at headquarters, visit manufacturing facilities, talk to experts, including customers and suppliers. In essence, we are building a mosaic and deep understanding of the business, its drivers, the risks, etc. Most individual investors just don't have the time to conduct this level of analysis, and it is one of the best services that we can provide to our clients. That is, making true investments as opposed to speculating in the market.
What is the best advice you've ever received about investing?
Warren Buffett likes to say investors should be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. This is a great reminder about the often overlooked behavioral aspect of finance in the market. In summary, this means that the best time to buy is when nobody else wants to. These are the periods when you can buy great assets, great businesses at bargain prices, and with more attractive future return potential.
What makes Fenimore different?
The culture. This is something that is really hard to put your finger on and recognize, especially from the outside. From an investment research team perspective, we truly have a meritocracy where the most junior person is treated with as much respect as the most senior person. What is important is not seniority, but rather having a continual drive to learn and improve, being curious, and making good decisions. We are all pushing each other every single day to get better at what we do and drive results for our clients and shareholders. In addition, Fenimore stands out from many peers in that each and every employee above a certain tenure is invested in the same investment strategy as our clients. And this is especially true of our investment research team. This alignment is not only important, but is lacking at many other investment organizations.
What book are you currently reading?
One book I'm reading right now is called Pitch the Perfect Investment. It's a little bit of a refresher reading. I think it'd be great for someone who's a senior in college or first-year analyst or someone in an MBA program, but I find that it's really helpful to just go back, sharpen those skills, and it's a good read so far.
The Take 5 with Fenimore series is brought to you by Fenimore Asset Management. To learn more about Fenimore Asset Management and to view important disclosures, please visit us online at www.fenimoreasset.com.